Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Last day we have discussed Merchant of Venice first unit test and the first time syllabus we have gone through. Now it is time for us to start poetry. The book Treasure Trove, a collection of ICSE poem and short stories. Poem number 1, The Heart of the Tree. The book consists of 10 poems and 10 stories. The first part is 10 poems. Out of that, the very first poem, The Heart of the Tree, we are going to learn it. The poem is written by Henry Taylor Burner. He was a well-known American novelist and poet. Means he has written poem as well as novels. He was born in Oswego, New York, on August 3, 1851. He received his education in New York City. He gained a lot of popularity as the editor of humor magazine called Puck. He wrote many short stories and novels. So not only poet, novelist, short story writer. Among his famous novels are A Woman of Homer, Heirs from Arcady, In Partnership, and The Midge. His poetic work are Heirs from a Ready and Elsewhere, Rowan, and Poems. His poetry reveals a light play of imagination as also his command over poetic structure. Command over poetic structure means he has a total control over the writing poem and the structural poem. He passed away on May 11, 1896. Means a century ago. He lived and more than a century. He lived and did his work. He is considered as a
Jagadeep Gaurav Chandima, please come to my office. Jagadeep Gaurav Chandima.
he is considered as a novelist, story writer, and a poet. He was well known. Then, what is the content of this poem that we should know? This poem deals with the topic the nature friendly life. Nature mostly we consider plants and animals around us should be protected and the natural environment should be taken care of. So generally, the plants, animals, and creatures should be allowed to live their life in a proper way. We should not disturb them and we should not interfere in their life and should not make any disturbance and damage in nature, like that matter, generally indirectly points out. And at the same time, the poet encourages the importance of a farmer's life. A person who is planting trees is very important, and his deed is very graceful, and it should be accepted and respected. Like that message the poet wants to give to the readers. We will see what it is. The Heart of the Tree by Werner focuses our attention on the value of tree planting. Tree planting is very important. How many more number of trees and plants if we are able to plant, if we are able to grow, that will be very important in our life. That will be straight away considered as the support to nature. We know how our indiscriminate felling of trees has led to environmental disaster in our times. During these days, we all are mostly speaking about environmental protection, planting trees, take care of forest and forest protection, like that so many matters we may say. But whenever we try to build up our home, a new building, whatever it is, a new construction, a new road, whatever it is, we first of all cut down many trees and plants from there, then only it is possible. So theoretically we may say so many things, but practically we ourselves make so many destructions and damage to our nature. Each stanza opens with the same question: what does he plant? Who plant a tree? In this poem, each stanza begins with the same line: what does the plant? What does he plant? Who plants a tree? A person who is ready to plant a tree. Really, what he is doing? Like that, a question is raised. The answer is provided by the poet himself. He himself gives the answer also. What does he plant who plants a tree? The answer is provided by the poet himself. He who plants a tree plants many things. Not only planting a tree. Through planting a tree, the tree planter is making so many other things. The gentle sunlight, free breeze, beauty, then music and harmony, like that so many matters he plant there. Means a tree, if we plant a tree, it may provide here we come to know that plants may provide us so many things. First of all, it provides a very pleasant, fresh air and very charming, light wind, breeze. It provides. And proper purification of the sunlight. If we receive sunlight directly for a long period of time, that may affect our health. But the trees may give us shade, but proper use of sunlight the trees may do. Then it provides beauty to the surrounding. We may keep garden, flower garden,
Sir, lemon sun, electricity,
These all provide are provided by trees, and this tree is planted by a tree planter. So tree planter is indirectly help as well as help the various natural occurrences to be in the proper way, proper order. We need rainfall, but if there is no plant or tree in the area where heavy rainfall, there will be a heavy land erosion or soil erosion from there. If number of trees are there all around, that the branches and leaves of the tree may control the force of the rainfall, and it may slowly reach at the surface of the on the surface of the land, and it may slowly uh, flow from there. That slow way of flowing may not make much damage. So like that, tree may help the nature different way. At the same time, not a tree is planted by a tree planter. In short, we can say a farmer. So a farmer always eco-friendly way of life he is leading, and without that environmental protection, he himself may not have a survival. So his life should be raised. So these are the major theme the poet wants to say through this. The general summary of the poem I have already told you. The introduction part, once you read it, and then just you read the poem. After that, after 5 minutes, I may read each stanza and explain it. So if you through it, come to the next stanza. What does he plant? Who plant a tree? The same line again repeated. Third time it is repeated, and the poet is asking, the poet is asking, what is the benefit? What are the benefits the tree planter is providing for the people where the tree is planted? He plants in sap and leaf and wood. These trees are providing some liquids, especially if we consider rubber tree. Rubber tree provide us sap, means some liquid. Latex, it provides us, that is commercially very important and very useful, and a large number of people all over the world depending upon such a sap. Leaf and wood, then some leaf products are there. Some of the trees and plants provide us leaves, especially green vegetables. Green vegetable, mostly green leaves of various plants, and even commercially, and for as an eatable varieties of leaves. Then the same leaves are the food for the animals, those who are keeping cows and buffaloes make use of these leaves. Third is wood, for making furniture and various construction work field. We need the help of wood. So these all are provided by trees, and it is because of the work of the various uh, plants and trees and of the work of the tree planter. In love of home and loyalty and forecast through our civic good. And not only for our homeland, we produce so many commercial as well as food grains. Commercials as well as food grains we may produce with the help of trees and plants. These all are for not only for our own development or existence, but also for the entire existence and development of the nation, our surrounding, not only our nation even, it is for our the whole world. So many Indian products are used by foreign people and so many foreign products are used by Indian people. Like that, there is no limit of any particular boundary. Our products from the plants may go anywhere and from anywhere to us. And forecast of civic good. It is for the general welfare. So the general welfare of the entire world, the tree planter is doing his duty. His blessing on the neighborhood. We ourselves may get benefit out of the trees. The neighboring people may get benefit. The same village may get it, and a nearby town, the whole nation itself, and the outside of beyond the boundary of our country, also our product, the tree products may go. Who in the hollow of his hand, God is not producing anything for the benefit of the people, but God has given the grace various people to produce goods. God directly does not provide any food grain or anything, but his responsibility he has given to the farmers and the tree planters, and they may do their duty. That is really the duty, the responsibility of God is done by them. That means God directly given the duty and right to the tree planters to produce things, hold all the growth of all our land. Really speaking, tree planter is a real producer as well as he is the only person behind the growth of a nation or the growth of the entire world. A nation's growth from sea to sea means without any boundary, people may grow. Various plants, trees, and other products. These all are not only for his own benefit, his family's improvement, development, and entire development of the nation as well as the entire world. Stays in the heart who plant a tree. A nation's growth from sea to sea steers in his heart who plants a tree. A person who is planting trees are really doing his duty for the welfare of the entire world. So a farmer or a tree planter is very important in this world, and we should respect them and we should consider their value, and the value of a tree and the value of the tree planter are equally important, and both are the part of environmental protection and the existence of our life on earth. So these are the points given in the poem. So once more, all of you read it. If anybody having any doubt, you can make it clear.